Traders, I just posted this into my my posts, my ideas, and I explained here in the description some fundamental aspects. But what I really wanted to do with the video is look at it now from a pure price action perspective, and look at a trade opportunity that we could get involved with. So I'll just take that out and we'll go down the time frames and get closer to it. Now, the thing with this chart is this is currently eating into sell side liquidity under. This is a big level. So you have sell stops, you've got like a liquidity zone under here that this is tapping into. And generally, when you see, especially on the daily time frame, a move into such a level, you'll see a reaction off the level. For example, have a look left over here. See the lows and look at the reaction off that level. Again, if you look left here, these lows, or here even, well, anywhere you look, actually, I mean, there, okay, so you had that rally, all right, this one. Okay, so I'm always looking, especially on the daily time frame when price trades down into a key level like this. So if we go to a 4-hour chart, look, my bias is bullish, even though this is, it's broken market structure to the downside here. I will be waiting for this to actually break structure bullish. Given that the higher time frame is bullish, I prefer to stay with the trend pretty much. So I'm looking for this to be compromised. In other words, it retraces and, we get a break of structure, a bullish break of structure, and then we can get involved. Okay, so everywhere you see where this is pulled back, the break of structure retrace into equilibrium gives us the opportunity. And the other thing I'm always looking at is a Fibonacci. Right? So, for example, here, when you see consecutive lows and highs, higher lows, I should say, and higher highs, there's a higher low, higher high, pull back into the 50 to 60, 61.8 Fibonacci. So I'm going to be looking for price to hopefully find support here and potentially break out and give us an opportunity. All right, now this could occur here. All right, it could occur further down. All right, we don't know how far this is going to retrace, but at some stage this will find support and it'll break structure, and my plan would be to buy on the break of structure. And on the 4-hour chart, you could look for this price action to play out, but more importantly, go down to a lower time frame and get find a precise entry point. So here I'm just going to add a note. Okay, it's a buy on a bullish break of structure and retest of the range. Okay, so this is the range I'm talking about now. If this doesn't play out, then there's no opportunity, right? But at some stage, this is going to turn around. My bias is bullish. If you read what I wrote in the the post that I previously uploaded here, I am looking for an entry point around these levels here, somewhere around here, wherever this plays out. So that's my take. Now, my targets would be, well, a stop loss for a start under, like if this breaks structure and retraces and you enter here, then stop loss under the previous low, and obvious target levels would be these highs. So there's a target there. You could look left over here. In fact, one of the indicators that I do like to use is the anchored volume profile. Okay, anchored volume profile, just throw it in back here. Yeah, you've got this point of control through here. That's quite a big level. And, you want to see it break above that, but that would be target number 1, just below this level here. Target number 2, you can just look at the volume profile and it's going to give you these levels. So something like that. Key support and resistance levels, and then of course this high. Well, this high is pretty extended, but yeah, I would run with that. Now, the other thing just be careful with this, guys. And look, if it does trend, I'd be looking to build my position, add to my position, and yeah, see how we go. But this is a major support resistance zone, so you want to be careful around here. And then, you know, when it breaks structure above this level, if it breaks through here, then that would be definitely a strong opportunity to continue on. All right, that's my take on natural gas, XNG. With that, I'd appreciate a comment, guys. Just definitely share your thoughts below and let me know what you think. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.